Singing bowls are known for breaking up stagnant energy in the air and bringing it back to a neutral state. One can use a singing bowl to clear and cleanse their own energy, their environment, and also objects like crystals. When you have your bowl in your hand, it's really important that your palm is flat like this. You don't want to curl your fingers on the bowl because it's gonna disrupt the vibration that the bowl creates. So you want to make sure your fingers are going straight out and your palms are flat. So let's go ahead and do just like a basic ding of a sound bowl. See, like that just sounds so good. This simple sound, this simple ding is literally breaking up the energy in the air and bringing it back to a neutral state. All right, so now let's make the singing bowl sing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do that simple ding again, and then we're gonna take our mallet and we're just gonna go on the outside of the bowl, kind of catching like the tail end of that sound, going around the rim, and you're gonna keep your wrist straight and strong. You don't really want to move your wrist like this. You want to have it be really firm. See how my wrist is like firm? And it'll start singing. Another little tip for you guys out there, because it can be kind of tricky to make the bowl sing your first couple times. If you're holding your mallet at an angle at the bowl, I'll insert a close-up to really show you what I mean. It's gonna help produce that sound like pretty quickly. If you're holding it like this, going around it like this, see how the mallet is straight? It's not really gonna make the sound correctly. If you're holding it at an angle, like this, you're gonna be able to produce that sound a lot easier. Now, it can take a couple tries to make your singing bowl sing, so don't give up. I know it definitely took me a few times to really get it to sing. Hopefully that tip helps you out with producing that beautiful noise that comes from the bowl. But once your bowl is singing, you can really experiment with how your bowl is connecting with you. You know, as you're playing, you can experiment with, you know, going faster, going slower. You really want to apply like an even amount of pressure to the bowl. You don't want to be really pushing hard. You just want to lightly be pressing against the bowl. And just see how you feel while you're playing, you know? Sometimes I can make my bowl play so loud. It's really fun to just experiment and see like what happens. And that, my friends, is how you play a singing bowl.